I grabbed this ribbon from Hobby Lobby. You're going to take a loop to the left, a loop to the right, a loop to the left, a loop to the right, and you're going to be pinching in the center the entire time, and as many loops as you want. Obviously, more loops makes it a bigger, fluffier bow. I believe I did 8 loops here. And once you're complete, you're going to take some floral wire and wrap it around the center that you're pinching. I never release my fabric from the roll until I'm done, because sometimes I'm not quite sure how big I want my bow. I just kind of go by how it looks. Now, this ribbon did not have a wire rim in it. It doesn't make it a little bit more difficult to fluff it up. So be sure to make sure that you get one with a wire rim. I'm making an angle cut on my tails, just for added detail. And today I basically just want to show you how layering items can make a huge impact. I grabbed this red basket. This was in the Christmas aisle, and this wreath also in the Christmas aisle. So I was able to get these for 70% off. But you can get these baskets in brown and white and different shapes. And of course you can use any wreath, even one just laying around the house. And I'm using my floral wire to attach the wreath to the basket. And this basket was quite large, so I wanted to put something really prominent in the center. And I found this love arrow. You can get these at Michael's. I believe they were $14. Get your 50% off, so you can get it for $7. But of course, you can use any word, sign, plaque, anything you want in the center of your wreath. And again, floral wire is great to have around. You usually can even find it right at the Dollar Tree, because I'm not ruining anything here with, gluing it down. I can always change it up if I want. I'm also using the floral wire to attach my bow. And there you go. I also had some big berries laying around, and I put that with a glue gun in the center of my bow. I hope you enjoyed this video. You can go check us out on YouTube. And for any wise owl or brushes, chalkitupfancy.com.